welcome back to my vlog. So today we were gonna ask a part member on what's their message to the next person. So starting off, this girl, kinsa ni siya? So what's your message to the next person?
One eternity later.
Never give up. Okay.
Okay.
The first person said never give up. What will be your message to the next person? To the next person, I will say that do your best and God will do the rest. Do your best and God will do the rest. What will be your message to the next person? Go on next. Go and next. What's your message to the next person?
My message to the next person is to pray and trust God.
Pray and trust God. What's your message to the next person?
So my message to the next person is, life is short, so treasure every moment.
Makikita mo sa imagine mo, success ka eh. Bigla kang sumakses eh. Pero step by the step pala.
Life is short, so treasure every moment. What's your message to the next person?
My message to the next person is, joy to the world.